Hello everyone! Today we will be looking at, reviewing, and demonstrating the trendy 2-in-1 brew and pour-over coffee maker. I got this coffee maker because I love to drink coffee, and my old one broke. Let's get it unpacked and have a look at it. This coffee maker is pretty modern and truly elegant. It looks good in my kitchen. Okay, let's have a closer look. This machine can brew up to 4 cups of coffee at a time. The coffee maker has only 2 switches, so it can be started with one touch, and the wide opening of the reservoir makes it easy to fill without spilling. Before you brew your first cup of coffee, make sure to run it without any coffee. This will clean it up and prepare it for its first use. Alright, time to make some tasty coffee. I don't like strong coffee, so I always use small amounts of it. I just have to do 3 steps: fill the reservoir with cold water, add my medium roast grounds, press the power button, and yay, I can enjoy my coffee. It has an automatic shut-off timer, so I never have to wonder if the coffee maker is shut off after you leave the house. This coffee maker is also fairly small, which is great if you have limited space in your kitchen. It has a convenient warming plate to keep coffee at the perfect temperature for up to 20 minutes without burning or compromising taste. Compared to my old machine, this machine has a much better flavor. I highly recommend it if you are in need of a good-looking, small coffee maker. It's easy to use, brew, and very easy to clean. By the way, this video is not sponsored. Thank you for watching this quick review.